The term risk to reward ratio is one that you better get very well acquainted with if you want a successful trading experience. This will be a key piece of your risk management plan when managing your trades. A risk to reward ratio is simply a measurement of how much you win or lose in relation to how much money you have placed in your trade. Before every single trade that you consider or take, you should already be considering not only your entry point, but your take profit points and definitely your exit points. Measuring your risk to reward ratio, one, make sure that you are taking trades that keep you profitable, but two, it gives you an additional tool to measure if the trade you are considering is even worth the risk that you're taking on it. For example, if you have a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, it is indicating that you are risking $1. It's $1 from your entry point to your stop loss. If you were to lose that, it will cost you $1, but you're potentially making $3, meaning you're going to stay in that trade until you get to that $3 mark, and either because your trading plan closes the trade down or you have some indication that you're at an exit point. But if you consistently ran a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio of equal value, you could lose 3 trades, and winning just 1 would make up for the 3 that you lost, of course, minus any fees and possible commission structures from your broker. But if same example, if you have a risk reward of 1 to 5, it means that you're risking $1 to potentially make 5. And if you consistently ran a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio of equal value trades, you could lose 5 trades, and winning just 1 would make up for the 5 you lost. Now, of course, we're not wanting to lose that many, but it is saying if you run that ratio, and if normally you risk $1, but you're trying to make up to 5, or you're consistently making those 5, you could lose 5 trades, and winning just 1 makes up for that. And that's your risk reward ratio. You'll find that the optimal risk reward ratio differs really widely from among the many different trading strategies that are used for trading the Forex market. And there's really no one way or like even one standard of trade ratio that is there. There are consistently profitable traders, though, that are using a 1-to-1 ratio as well as 1-to-6 ratios. Usually it's kind of a trial and error scenario that's required to determine which ratio is best for any strategy that you personally trade. But just know the truth is there are traders on both ends of the spectrum that are consistently profitable and that are banging out, winning trades and are raking in, very good income, running on very low risk to reward and some running very high. The goal, though, should always be to protect your capital, and sometimes a closer exit point of, say, a 1 to 3 risk reward instead of a 1 to 4 can actually increase the number of pips that you retain as well as your win-loss ratio, and both of those increases amount to profit that flow into your trading account, which is what you want. Conversely, sometimes you're leaving massive amounts of pips or money on the table by exiting too early and by not letting your trades run, and therefore grabbing, a greater risk reward, 1 to 5, 1 to 12, 1 to 20, 1 to 3, whatever, just depending. But every strategy is different, and every trader has their own level of comfort and psychology. So while the risk reward ratio can be applied to every single strategy that exists, it's also a very personal part of your own character as a trader. Understanding and managing your risk reward ratio also gives you a lot of information regarding the probability of you becoming a consistently profitable trader in relation to any strategy that you thoroughly test and understand your win rate. Right here is a chart that is going to show that if you consistently run a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio right here on this bottom line, on a strategy that you trade, you really only need to have a 20% win rate to be profitable. At the end of the year, you're going to remain profitable even if you only win 20% of your trades. If you run a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, right here, you're going to see that on the top line of your strategy, then you have to maintain a win rate of at least, look here, at this 60% in order for you to remain profitable. Any drop below that 60% average win rate, and you're going to be dropping into a loss in your trading account. If you drop to the 50%, here you're at a break even on this 1-to-1 ratio, but you have to be winning above that 50% to remain in profit.